Hello, you all beautiful souls. Welcome to the day two of Heal Your Heart. How are you all doing? How are things going on at your end? And did you finish watching my first day? If not, definitely go back and watch the first day of this series, which was about awakening your own power. That day, what we all did was that we made all our thoughts and all our worries and everything that was disturbing us blow into a balloon and let it fly high, high in the sky, releasing all these thoughts. What we learned was I am bigger than my thoughts. So I think you should have been repeating this, and I am sure that you have repeated this to yourself in last 2 days, and that has created an effect which you have seen now or you will be seeing in the future. And that was I am bigger than my thought. Now that we have made our being so powerful and awakened ourselves, today the day two is about forgiving, letting go of things which are not serving you anymore. Before we start this, let me set a context to it. It is like sometimes we all are being left out in some place where we are just thinking about our past. If I would have studied better, if they would have not told me this, if my parents would have supported me, if this person would have not done this, if this person would have not done that, we are caged into our past. And nobody else has done this. We have ourselves caged ourselves into our past. And today we are going to set ourselves free. Free from this cage of our past, of somebody had told us something which we have not got over with, or some incident which had happened is still with us, lying with us and affecting us. I would like you to know that whatever happened in past, can we change it by thinking about it today? Definitely not. We cannot change it, right? But what is it happening? We are just repeating the same thing again and again to ourselves, which is creating a kind of disturbance in our own self. To change this perception of ours, just remember that whatever happened in past was a part for us to be in today's future. So that chapter of past which you feel is your regret, your guilt, your any kind of negative emotion related to that particular event or a particular person, it was necessary for today's chapter to be created. Yeah, if somebody has told you something which has hurt you deeply and you cannot get over it, remember that that thing was necessary for you to hear to come at this point. Today, we all are sitting in this room and trying to learn and understand and work on ourselves, our own belief system, and our being is only because some events which were there in our life which made us come to this point. We are evolving. And just remember that when we are on a stage of evolving, we will be holding on to our past. And once we are evolved, we will create that being, that I, towards looking at this particular event in a way of learning. So today we are going to free ourselves from this cage of past, of whatever somebody told us in the past, or some event which happened in the past, or some regrets which we have that I could have studied better, I could have done this better, I could have not done this, I could have heard to my parent, or I could have not heard to my parent, or even if I would have not choose this life partner, or I would have chose not choose this career. All these regrets and all these thoughts of past, we are just going to let go of them, release them, and forgive people who all have been the reason for that situation, because when we forgive them, we release them from that cage, and also we release ourselves from the cage of past. So today's freedom is only about forgiving and letting go of whatever has happened. Because it is not that they could have been better. That is what we always say, right? That they could have done better, they could have been better. But just remember, if they would have known better, they would have done better. And you, by being so evolved till now, might be knowing that knowing doesn't only play an important role, knowing only creates an awareness, but our being is what actually creates our actions. You are right by thinking that they knew it, that this is going to happen, they knew it will hurt me, still they said, yeah, you are right. But only knowing was not going to help them, right? They had to had that being to know that they shouldn't have done this, so we release them. We just release whatever had happened in the past and free ourselves from the cage of the burden of past. Some people would say that forgiveness is accepting that we were wrong or letting go their mistakes. No, it's not about it was whose mistake. It's about letting ourselves free, because this burden of not forgiving people and holding on to our past is just creating a very big impact on our own self and our growth. So that balloon, which had already left and is high in the sky with all the regrets, have to be gone away. And we just need to bless the people, because without their presence and without their those talks or those situations, we wouldn't have been over here. This chapter had to come when they had to design that chapter of ours. So just bless them for whatever they have been and just forgive people, because you're not forgiving them, you are forgiving yourself. From here, I would like you to just let know that whenever you have this feeling of thinking about all the negative past and all the negative events which are creating a cage in yourself, just set them free. Close your eyes and just imagine a white light coming into your whole body, your mind, and your heart. And just remember that if they would have known better, they would have definitely done better for you. It is not about us accepting that, okay, that it was not their mistake or something like that. It is about setting ourselves free from all the burdens and evolving, because we are on the path of evolution. So, next time when you have this thought of what had happened in the past, just bless the soul and forgive them, so that we can grow in our life and get free from the cage of past. Happy freedom. And now I will see you day after tomorrow, that is on the 1st. And yes, we will be doing our third day, which is goodness. And what could be more better than inculcating goodness and utilizing goodness in ourselves on the first day of coming month. See you then. Bye bye.